everybody? We're back with another video today. I got Nick with me. We in Florida. Did a road trip in the E36. Oh, yeah, did a road trip in the E36, 450 miles give or take, and ran like a champ. So we actually found a car meet that's local to where we on vacation. So we're gonna pull up, see what's out there for a little bit, and I'm gonna throw this in, get some POV driving too. I should have brought the suction mount so I could get your reaction. Do some skids. I don't know, but this looks like a nice spot. You ready?
I say just pass, do it like pass like the neighborhood. So the police was on the other side, but one thing, he didn't turn around. That's what I like. Unless they see me do it, my car don't look the way that it sounds. So even though it looked quick, you hear it, it's like, oh, that was a Camaro or a Charger or something. I hope it's not shit like that. This one?
Yeah, so after those pulls, this happened once before and it happened again, so I'm gonna have to remake the brackets. But the bracket for the field rail kind of flexed and then it started leaking a little bit. So I got the tools, but we're about to get it fixed. But I'm gonna remake the bracket because, like I said, it happened before, and unless I really run it hard, it don't happen. But you know, I can't be having this. All right, we think it's good, so I'm gonna hand this off to you.
Nope.
Nothing?
Nope. Nah, it's leaking.
You said nothing's
It's
leaking?
leaking.
It's leaking?
Yeah.
The front. Well, okay, so the issue before was the back, now it's the front. All right, I'm gonna try and bend the front rail again, like how we did. Let's turn it. Oh shit. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, still holding pressure too. Cycle it one more? Oh, you just did, I heard it, never mind. I said you just did, never mind, I heard it. Well, shit, start it up. Push the, put it in, it's in gear.
stop and yeah, we're just gonna stop at this gas station and just double check it real quick. We're not too far from the Airbnb, so we should be all right. All right, made it back to the Airbnb. Got the car in the garage. My brother went inside. My pops came out here. We was both looking at it and messing with it. I was explaining to him everything, like how it's been going. And like I said, we've been having this issue before. It comes and goes so sporadically. Like it'll be fine, not weekend for weeks on end. You know, you cruising, running the car hard, no leaks. Next thing you know, you do a pull, and then number 8, it's always number 8. Number 8 injector starts leaking. So when I did the pulls earlier, you know, as you guys saw, then number 8 injector started leaking. But so the plan of attack is tomorrow I'm gonna go to either AutoZone or Riley's, Advance, whoever, Napa, I don't know. I have to look and see what's around here. I'm gonna go around, get some injectors, O-rings. Either I'm gonna try and see if they have the same replacements or if they have like the same inside diameter but like fatter O-rings to try and seal up better. I'm gonna try and do that and swap out the injector O-ring. But what I think the real issue is, not what I think, what I know the real issue is the fuel rail brackets. If you're doing an LS swap, anybody doing an LS swap, don't buy the the fast fuel rails. Don't buy the fast fuel rails. The fast fuel rails, they nice, they look good, but the brackets they sell are a piece of shit. I've went on the forums, a bunch of people have these issues and it's always the brackets. There's no issue with the rail itself, so it's like you gotta buy the rails and then you're gonna have to go and make your own brackets or whatever. Just save your money, go get the Summit fuel rails. My pops run those on his LS S10. He has no issues. He just pulled off both his rails, all 8 injectors, put them back together, no leaks. His truck's been swapped for over 10 years now. Now I'm really thinking about it. His truck's been swapped for over 10 years now, or right at 10 years, and never had this issue. So keep that in mind. If you're doing an LS swap, don't get the fast fuel rails. Just save yourself the headache. Learn from me. Yeah, like I said, that's the plan of the attack for tomorrow. So tomorrow's another day. I'm gonna go in here, edit this video, try and get it out to you guys tomorrow, and then I'm gonna try and edit the tomorrow video tomorrow night so that I can kind of like keep y'all up to date in real time what's going on. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. The car was, feeling real good. It was pulling strong and everything. Then it started raining. I'm like, oh, we could have got some skids. We should have been out there sliding, to save my tires, but shit happens. It is what it is. So, like I said, I'm gonna let y'all go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Catch y'all next time.